show you how to use Mackin Via Databases for your school research. You may access Mackin Via by simply typing in Isbell Library into the Google search bar, or you can just type in mackinvia.com. When you're on the Isbell Library website, you'll click on the database link. And once you get there, you'll click on Mackin Via. When you get there, you'll type in the name of the school, so you'll start out by typing in Isbell. And then you'll highlight Isbell Elementary, Frisco, Texas. The user ID is Isbell, and the password is library. And click Login. It will then take you to the home page of Mackin Via where you can access all of the databases. The databases that we have are EBSCOhost, PebbleGo, and WorldBook. So the first one that we're going to start with is EBSCOhost. To get into the databases, you need to click Open Now. And this is the home page of EBSCOhost. For the elementary school students, we're going to focus on Searchosaurus and Kids Search. So you can click on them, and it will take you to the search page. You can either search for a topic, or you can select a topic below. So animals, art, music, health, history, stories, sports, science, and math, people, and places. If you already know what you need to search for, you can go ahead and type it in here. And we'll go ahead and we'll search for a blue whale and click Search. It'll then take you to your results page, and you'll see that there are 32 results. You can filter them by just looking at magazines, books and encyclopedia, animals, and pictures. So since I'm researching, I'm going to go for books and encyclopedias, and it gives me 7 results that I can look through. So you can start clicking on the results and reading through to see if this is going to be good information for your research. So this tells me a lot of information about blue whales, so I think that this will probably be a good place to start. Then if you wanted to go and try a different database, you'll see the Mackin Via tab up here. You'll click on the Mackin Via tab, and let's go back to EBSCOhost and look at Kids Search. Click on Kids Search, and it'll look very similar to Searchosaurus. Again, you can search by topic. You can search in the search box. So again, let's keep searching blue whale. Click Go. And it'll bring up all the results. And you'll notice that there are more results in this one. You can search by different filters and figure out which one you would like to use for your research. Make sure that when you're using them, though, you write down where you got them from so that your teacher knows where you got your information from. If we go back to Mackin Via, let's try out one of the PebbleGo databases. This is geared towards the younger students. So when you click on it, you need to let it load all the way. And once it loads, you'll be able to search by topics.
Amphibians, animal behavior, animal classification.
Or if you know what you're searching for, you can type it in the box and highlight it. And it will take you to the page that tells you about blue whales. So you can click down at the bottom to learn about the body, the habitat, food, life cycle, and fun facts. Also, the cool thing about PebbleGo is that it will read it to you. So you can click on this.
Blue whales leap out of the ocean to get air.
And it will read it to you. Also, sometimes they might have sounds. And also they'll have videos that you can watch as well. To try out the other PebbleGo databases, you can go back to the Mackin Via tab, or if you look in the top left-hand corner, you can search Earth and Space. You can search biographies, social studies, and you can, again, you can search by topics, or you can search in the search box. Let's go to our last database by clicking on the Mackin Via tab and scrolling all the way down. And you'll click Open Now for the WorldBook. There are 2 databases that we're going to focus on today, the Kids WorldBook and Student WorldBook, and they're going to look very similar. Again, here you can search by topics, or you can go ahead and type what you're searching for. And you'll see this gives me 8 items, so I can start clicking on the different articles to see if those a good fit for my research. If you wanted to go and try World Book Student, you will go back to the Mackin Via page and click on the student, and it's going to look very similar. So you'll, again, click blue whales and search. And here are the different filters that you can use. So we'll do encyclopedia articles. And you can start clicking on them to see which one gives you the best information to use for your research. So I hope that you will have fun researching and use this resource because it's a great one, and I think that you'll have a great time. Thanks.